4550. Which of the following should be considered as station passage when using VOR? A. The first flickering of the TO from indicator and CDI as the station is approached. B. The first full-scale deflection of the CDL. C. The first complete reversal of the TO from indicator. The correct answer is C. Station passage is considered to occur when the TO from indicator on the VOR receiver completes a full reversal. This means that if the TO from indicator was previously showing to and then changes to from or vice versa, after crossing directly over the VOR station, it indicates that the aircraft has passed the VOR station. This is the definitive indication of station passage during VOR navigation. 4551. When checking the sensitivity of a VOR receiver, the number of degrees in course change as the OBS is rotated to move the CDI from center to the last and on either side should be between A. 5 degrees and 6 degrees, B. 8 degrees and 10 degrees, C. 10 degrees and 12 degrees. The correct answer is C. Course sensitivity may be checked by noticing the number of degrees of alter within the course chosen as you pivot the OBS to move the CDI from center to the final dab on either side. This ought to be between 10 degrees and 12 degrees. 4552. A VOR receiver with normal 5-dot course sensitivity shows a 3-dot deflection at 30 nm from the station. The aircraft would be displaced approximately how far from the course centerline? A. 2 nm, B. 3 nm, C. 5 nm. The correct answer is B. Airship uprooting from course is around 200 feet per spec per marine mile. For case, at 30 nm from the station, 1 dab diversion indicates roughly 1 nm uprooting of the airplane from the course centerline. Subsequently, a 3-dot avoidance would cruel the airplane is roughly 3 nm from the course centerline. 4553. An aircraft which is located 30 miles from a VOR station and shows a 1/2 scale deflection on the CD, I would be how far from the selected course centerline? A. 1 and 1/2 miles, B. 2 and 1/2 miles, C. 3 and 1/2 miles. The correct answer is B. In a standard VOR receiver, each dot on the CDI represents 2 degrees, and a full-scale deflection is 10 degrees. Therefore, a 1 and 1/2 scale deflection corresponds to 7 and 1/2 degrees. 1 and 1/2 dots multiply by 2 degrees per dot. The angular deviation of 7 and 1/2 degrees at a distance of 30 miles from the VOR station can be used to calculate the lateral displacement from the selected course centerline. Using basic trigonometry, sine function, we can determine that the lateral displacement is equal to the tangent of the angular deviation multiplied by the distance from the VOR station. Lateral displacement equals tan 7 and 1/2 degrees, multiply by 30 miles. Lateral displacement is almost equal to 0.13165 multiply by 30 miles. Lateral displacement is almost equal to 3.9495 miles. Therefore, the aircraft would be approximately 3.9495 miles, or approximately 3 and 1/2 miles from the selected course centerline. 4554. What angular deviation from a VOR course centerline is represented by a 1/2 scale deflection of the CDI? A. 2 degrees, B. 40 degrees, C. 5 degrees. Full needle deflection from the center position to either side of the dial indicates the aircraft is 10 degrees or more off course, assuming normal needle sensitivity. The correct answer is C. Therefore, a half-scale deflection would indicate an angular deviation of 1/2 of 10 degrees or 5 degrees.